Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Finally, spring is here. It is a blooming season for flower, trees, plants, and I think it's a really good time to go out and about and enjoy the beauty of nature. So because of that, I would like to share with you how to paint two of my favorite flowers, which are lavender and tulips, in today's video. And without further ado, let's get started. And all the material that I'm using today will be linked in the description below. I am going to start with the lavender. To be specific, I'm going to show you how to illustrate these two flowers in the pot. So to start with, I am going to draw the outline of a pot, and as you can see, it's like it's similar to rectangle shape but just rounded in the corners. And next, I am going to pick up some different shade of greens to paint the leaves. And to paint the leaves, as you can see here, I'm just kind of use the tip of my brush to draw the lines and pointing toward different directions to make it look more natural. And make sure that you use different shades of greens to make it look more colorful and more interesting. And next, I am going to mix some color to paint the flowers. As we all know that lavender has some sort of purple colors. So I use the purple color in my palette, mixing with a little bit of pink so that I can have a different shade of purple for the flowers. And here, as you can see, I'm just kind of mimic the shape of lavender. I'm not really, I don't really pay attention to detail. And if you need reference, you can always search on the internet, like search on Google, or you can go to Pinterest, which is my go-to platform if I need any photo or picture reference. And one more tip is that make sure to incorporate different values in your painting. So as you can see here, for the flowers, I have some in a very light value and some in a very dark one. And in order to do that, you just need to dilute the mixture of color with water. If you want a darker value, you just need to mix it with less water so that it can have the most saturated form. And by this way, you can make the painting has some sort of depth and also has a contrast as well. And the same will apply to the leaf as well, some dark and some light value. And now I'm just kind of fill up the color for the pot and add some shadow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we have the illustration of a lavender pot, and just need to focus on shape, value, and colors. And I think that you can use that to illustrate any flower pots that you like. And next, I am going to illustrate a tulip pot. And as you will see, I am going to use the same method. Focus on shape, colors, and values to illustrate this one. Usually you will see tulip with a variety of colors. You can see yellow, pink, red tulips, depends on whatever colors you like. But here I am going to illustrate a colorful tulips, have a different colors, pink, yellow, and purple, whatever colors that I have left over on my palette. And now, as you can see, I totally have 5 different flower pot illustrations on my sketchbook page, and the other 3 I actually had a video tutorial of them. That actually the previous video of this one. I will link that video in the description below in case you're interested. And if you like me and you love lavender, I also have a video tutorial of how to paint a lavender landscape. It will be linked below. I have created different playlists, tutorials, can either be landscape or floral, and it will be linked in the description below. Don't forget to check them out if you want to more tutorial to watch on your free times. And I think that this flower illustration will be the perfect idea for your sketchbook practice, or you can also use these for your bullet journal if you have one. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you like this, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And I will post a new video on every Saturday, so don't forget to go back and check out my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good time, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.